Good evening. Welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. CEO of the Jamaica Customs Agency, Velma Ricketts-Walker, has admitted that the agency does not have adequate resources to effectively secure all of Jamaica's ports. Speaking at the Jamaica Chamber of Commerce annual customs seminar yesterday, Mrs. Ricketts-Walker announced that fortifying all the ports is a major challenge. Now TVJ's Andrew Laidley has the details.
Jamaica Customs Agency under pressure to intercept the illegal entry of drugs, guns and other unwanted items from getting onto the Jamaican market. But CEO of the agency, Velma Ricketts-Walker, says the entity is doing the best it can with limited resources.
Every sector of government, there is human resource challenges. And so it is how we innovate, how we use automation to help mitigate against the challenges for human resource.
She argues that Jamaica has too many unofficial ports.
We have about close to 150 unofficial ports. And our official ports, as per Gazette, is about 10. And those are the official ports that customs will be at, the other border regulatory agency, and sometimes, of course, the police. And so, having so many unofficial ports presents a great challenge to us.
And although the agency is short-staffed, the customs CEO says they will not be caught off guard during the upcoming peak season.
We're always ready. Yes? We're always ready. Oh, there are issues here and there, but we are ready. So I'm just confirming with you that we're ready.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Standard & Poor's S&P today upgraded Jamaica's credit rating. The island's long and short-term foreign and local credit rating is now B+, up from a single B rating. It means the country's economic outlook remains stable. S&P says the rating action reflected Jamaica's sustained economic progress. The ratings agency also cited the continuation of public sector reforms and the establishment of an independent fiscal council as critical factors to promote sustainable fiscal practices. We go on to currency trading. Today ended with the US dollar selling for $135.11. The Canadian is going for $102.08. The pound, $165.55, while the euro now sells for $147.48. On the stock markets, the JSE index gained 3,353 points today. The junior market index declined by 46 points. Among the winners, Access Financial Services, Stationery and Office Supplies, Berita Investments, Pulse Investments, and Paramount Trading. On the losing side, Kingston Wharves, Sterling Investment, 1834 Investments, Epley Caribbean Property Fund, and the General Accident Insurance Company. And that wraps up the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.